beauties, it's me, Alegra. I'm hopping on today with a makeup subscription box unboxing. I have the Ipsy glam bag for December, and I also have the Boxycharm for December. Now we're going to unbox everything, but before we get into it, we also are having a giveaway today, and I want to let you know who won our last giveaway. So our last giveaway winner, which was for the Dior bag and all kinds of makeup and fun goodies, well, that winner is Chanel. Congratulations, Chanel, you're the winner. I'm so happy that you're a part of the glam fam. You always make my day with your positive and your uplifting comments. And so guys, make sure you follow Chanel too. She is an unbelievable beauty. She has so many tips and tricks. She got me started eating a healthier diet because I'm very inspired by her. So she's a wonderful friend to all. So make sure you follow her. I will have her pinned to comment down below. Hopefully she'll see this and I can pin her comment. But anyway, beauties, I'm also going to let you know at the end of this video what today's giveaway is. It is going to be prettybomb.com. So make sure you watch this video to the end to find out what the giveaway is and how you can take part. So let's go ahead though and dive into today's unboxing. Now I have to be completely honest with you, beauties. I actually did unbox this already. You might have seen the other day I did a video and the audio went out. I did that unboxing the same day. And something weird and wonky was going on with, it's still going on. Something weird was going on with my microphone. I went online to investigate and what was wrong with it. And they said, call us at this customer service number. They said that we're here till midnight. You guys, this is a famous company, as I thought. It's a big company, so I never in my wildest dreams. Oh, let me tell you what happened. I called the company. It was like 9 o'clock at night. I said, oh, they said Monday to Saturday till midnight, call them. So I went ahead and called them. Guys, I don't even know how to tell you this. It's kind of traumatizing. Some of you might know why. He said, he was saying to me, oh, what's your email so we could send you the warranty information or whatnot, And I'm reading my email to him. And he said something, and I gave my husband's email, which is a bunch of rambling weird letters. But anyway, so he was repeating it back to me. He was going A as in apple, C as in cat. He goes P as in, okay, what is the foul word for cat? Okay, or whatnot. And he said the word, and I was like, oh my God, that's disgusting. It was so creepy and so horrible and gross. I don't know why that he would do that, but anyway, it was, thank God, I don't think, okay, I was giving my husband's information too for the warranty because I don't want this guy to know anything. I hope he don't look, I'm glad he don't know my name because I wouldn't want him to be going out to my Facebook or whatnot trying to, he was creepy. It was weird, guys. Anyway, my microphone doesn't work is what I'm trying to say. And I was gonna mail it back to him. But anyway, I unboxed this the other day. And guys, let's get back into the cheery good times. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? This is the Ipsy glam bag for December. It is so beautiful. I could not love this more. I mean, pink and red. Actually, that's what I'm wearing today. Pink and red nails. I love pink and red. It's so festive. So this is the bag. I love this bag so much. And again, I did unbox this the other day, but the audio went out. That's what I was trying to tell you before I went off on a tangent. But you guys, how gorgeous is this bag? So I feel like this is one of my favorite bags that I've ever gotten from Ipsy glam bag. What do you guys think? Did you guys get this box? Let me know down below. And the gold trim, pink and gold and red. Oh, it's so festive, so gorgeous. I really would wear this out. Actually, I'm going to a party. I should bring this as a clutch. But here is what came. Now, in this Ipsy glam bag, this month, December, is this Tatcha Overnight Repair Cream. Now, I've never tried this. I tried the regular Tatcha cream, and I love it. And so I'm so excited to try this because I've never tried this. It's a very large size. This is a deluxe size sample. But you guys, have you tried this product yet? Because this sounds amazing. And my skin has been so dry lately. I don't know why. But I never really had dry skin, but now I do. But I'm here. I don't care. I'm here for it because now I can try all different heavy moisturizers that I couldn't use before. But then they also gave us this in our glam bag, guys. Now this is like a full-size product. This is from LYS. It's a sponge. It's so soft. It's so precise because it has that diamond tip, so you could really do your under eye concealer so well, even carve out, like I like to carve out my lip area. So how amazing is that? I cannot wait to use this because, oh, it's so soft. And LYS, I do believe, is a women-owned, black-owned company, women-owned company, minority. So that's so nice too. But they are at Sephora, so that's really great. So let me just put that aside. And then now here, full-size product from Pixi. This is the Pixi tinted lip balm in the shade Ruby. So how gorgeous is that for the holidays? I'm sure this is very moisturizing. Pixi has such great products, and this is full size. So this was in the Ipsy Glam bag this month. And then also, oh, see, I did open this the other day when I was showing you guys. But this is amazing. This is a nude colored pencil from Lovecraft Beauty. Now, this kind of pencil you can, of course, use in your waterline. It's going to make you look more wide awake and things like that. But I like to use these to carve out and clean up my lip line, especially, you know, when I wear lip liner. It just makes everything look really clean and precise. So I love these kind of pencils. I go through them like water because that is my #1 favorite thing to do, is put kind of this color pencil, a nude color pencil right here. It just lifts your face, makes your lips look super pouty. So also try it if you got this pencil. Definitely try it like that. You won't believe the results, and not just, you know, in your waterline. But actually I did put it in my waterline the other day and I loved it. When it just makes you look more wide awake. I wish I could grab, let me try to grab a mirror here because I just want to see myself how, because actually, yes, this is a really nice one because it's very natural. I don't like when they're too white and it looks kind of artificial. This is very, very natural looking. And I usually don't like these in the waterline, again, because I think they look, I think they look kind of fake. But look at how it just cleaned up my lip line so perfectly, because there was a little bit of the lip liner bleeding out, and this will clean that up. So this is amazing. So that's amazing. This is definitely worth $14. I would definitely, if you could, give this as a gift for the holidays and, you know, help someone unwrap joy. You know, give it to, if you had like somebody in your life that's a beauty lover, you could get them a subscription to Ipsy. That would be, if you could afford it. So, but it's $14 a month. You can cancel anytime, so maybe you could even get them like a 1-month subscription. Just something. That would be such a great gift. Now, here is what came in my Boxycharm. In the Boxycharm, $30 a month, they sent the Living Proof. This is a dry scalp treatment. Now, this alone, these Living Proof products, they go for like almost $40, $39, something like that. How amazing. This whole box here that I'm going to show you, this is just one of the products, this was in the box, and I love Living Proof. Are you like me? I love Living Proof products. And then also in our box, Well People, this is a clean beauty mascara. I've tried so many products from this company. They're amazing. They are at Ulta. So if you love clean beauty, these are generally, they're very affordable. So these are usually where NYX is and things like that. They'll have a little kiosk. At least at my Ulta, that's where it is. It's kind of hidden, but if you can see it and get to them, or ask the SA, you know, ask one of the associates at Ulta, and because this is really good clean beauty makeup and it's very affordable. So then also in our Boxycharm is this vitamin C from RHOBH Papaya Enzyme Scrub. This is a brightening and renewing exfoliating fruit enzyme scrub. So I cannot wait to try this. Actually, I have been using vitamin C lately, and maybe that's what's drying my skin out. I don't know. It's the only thing I did different. So anyway, oh, this I tried the other day with you beauties. Now, this is so gorgeous. This is from LYS. See, it's all messy because I was playing with it the other day with you guys, but again, it didn't come out, but that's fine. But you guys, I was wearing this. This is from LYS. It's a, let me see if, did I save the package? I don't know if I saved the package, but this is it right here. I'll link it down below because this I was wearing, and this is so long lasting. I could not believe it. It's so moisturizing. It's so precise and clean beauty ingredients. And it just, I couldn't believe how long lasting, because I put it on the other day and then you guys, it just didn't budge. But it's very moisturizing, so you wouldn't expect it. You wouldn't expect it to be so long lasting because it feels so creamy and so moisturizing, but it is so long lasting. It feels so good on your lips. I absolutely love this product. So I love the packaging. I love how precise it is. It really hugs your lip when you're applying it, really hugs and stays put where you put it. So it's not on my teeth. So I had a few lipsticks that kept getting on my teeth. I was like, the formula is getting, it was getting all over. This doesn't do that. This is amazing. Oh, did I save the, oh, here's the box for it. This is the Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick. Oh, they call it a matte lipstick, but it does have shine to it. And it doesn't feel matte. But it is, I guess it, you know, it feels incredible. This is gorgeous. I definitely would buy this. When this runs out, I'm going to get another one because this, or I should go look at more colors because I love, this is amazing. And it's a beautiful pink and gold packaging too. So that's so nice. And I think that's, oh, is that everything, you guys? Yes, that is everything. So that was everything in our Ipsy Glam Bag December and Boxycharm December. So what are you loving in your boxes? Let me know down below. Have you tried any of these? And have you tried this lip? This lip is so good, guys. I can't believe it. But anyway, guys, now let me go ahead and show you what today's giveaway is. Oh, there was actually, I forgot, guys. There's actually something else in this Boxycharm. I can't believe that. Well, I didn't realize. Okay. But in the Boxycharm, also beauties, is this palette from Natasha Denona, $30. So far we've gotten a Natasha Denona palette, a LYS lip that they have at Sephora, skincare, hair care, everything. I don't even know the value. I feel like it's definitely over $200 value, and you're getting all of this for $30. So here is the palette that they sent. So stunning. Isn't that gorgeous? And they're beautiful shimmer shades, but there is a matte. So absolutely gorgeous and beautiful platinum colored packaging too. So gorgeous. So beauties, that's everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag and my Boxycharm this month. Let me know what you're loving from your Ipsy Glam Bag and your Boxycharm down below. And let me know if you've tried any of these yet. How are they working out for you? And that's pretty much it. So I just want to share with you guys also, today's giveaway is for a $40 Amazon gift card. So make sure you're a subscriber to take part in today's giveaway, and also comment GlamFam, hashtag GlamFam down below, so I know you want to take part. And that's pretty much it. So I also will be announcing the winner very soon. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.